In this video, I will guide you on how to fix Reddit chat not working. First, launch open the Reddit app. Make sure to log into your account. Now tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Then tap on the three lines at the top right corner and head over to settings. Here, scroll down and get to the advanced section. Locate the option of clear local history. If that option is available, then you want to clear that. After that, reopen the app and check if your chat is working again. Next, you want to clear the app cache. For that, long press on the Reddit app, then tap on the app info option. Here, find the option of storage and tap on that. Then tap on clear cache. Now head back. Here, tap on force stop, then tap on OK. Now launch open Reddit and check if that fixes your issue. Next, you want to update the Reddit app to the latest version. For that, open up Play Store or App Store, then search for Reddit. If you find the update option, tap on that and update the app to the latest version. Now open it and check if the issue is fixed. If nothing else works, then you want to uninstall the application. Uninstall it, then reinstall it again from Play Store or App Store. In this way, you will be able to fix the Reddit chat not working issue. If you found this video useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.